Alright, here's the start of the 84 shovelhead. We're getting it ready for paint, trying to get it all dialed in. Rip the hose out first.
Spin the other side.
No, hold on. The hose is all wonky. Alright, I'll go for the bolt for the paint. Just tell me when I'm good.
Yeah. Okay, hold on a second.
I still got the hose connected on this side.
Okay. That's it. That's it.
Okay. Alright, the hose is just on this side now?
No, we're good.
Okay.
Just pulling the washers off.
Get your
Down. See?
Yep, that one's good.
I'm gonna put all these bolts right here in this tray. Move this tray up there. Here, I got it. Nice bowl. Screwdriver. See, I forgot one part. See, that's some nice looking bolt shit there, buddy. Half inch. Up there. Half inch. See, half inch. I gotta get this off. God, all this is crap. Oh, that looks good. Double nutted. Straight edge. I think it's about 7/16. These are double nutted. Okay. Crossover line. One at that inside one strip, that's why they put two of them on here. Gotta note that and check that out, make sure it's okay.
All these lines are.
Get unscrewed all the way. And as I said, it's got a big hump on the end. I screwed it there, yeah, that's fine. This string will come off in a second here. Be careful with that thing screws.
Or hasn't been taken off in 40 years.
Yeah. Nope,
There it is.
easy. Got the whole taking slight easy, because there's spacers here. I don't want to lose what I got until I take a picture, so slide it up real easy. Okay, go ahead and lift, can you lift it? You gotta take that, front should slide very well. Yeah, remember, there was 3 on the outside there. Yeah, 2.
We got video, so 3 on the outside. Okay, I see it now.
Is it pulled out in the front?
Yeah, we're good. We just have I'll rip it straight out.
It should be in,
Yeah.
come with it. Yeah. How easy, how easy. Is he got another fucking wire to cut your knife? Don't cut my hand. Jesus, anything else? Okay, here, hold on. You got a rubber gasket in that bolt. Should we left it in there? That's okay. Always like putting the bolts back together.